Hi friends, welcome to Srisai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: same default methods in Java interfaces with multiple inheritance. So first of all, what are default methods in Java interfaces? So this concept was introduced in Java in JDK 1.8 or Java 8 version. So using default methods, okay, so using this feature we can write default methods in an interfaces. So basically interface contains all methods as abstract methods, and interface object cannot be created, and interfaces are used with subclasses, and in the subclass we redefine all the abstract method and create the object of interface. So coming to default methods, so default methods are not default access modifier methods like public methods, protected methods, private methods, or default methods. But default methods are those methods which are defined inside an interface and tagged with default keyword. And default methods are non-abstract methods. They have body or definition of the method. For example, default is the keyword followed by return type and method name. So default void m1 with body. So what is the use and advantage of default methods in an interface? So basically default methods with body enables us to add new functionality to existing interfaces or old interfaces which are available in our project or library. So whenever we have any new abstract method in an interface, its corresponding implementation classes will be breaking down. So because we have to redefine those methods in the corresponding implementation classes. So to avoid that, default methods ensures backward compatibility with existing code written for older versions of interfaces. So without breaking the existing code, we can add new functionality to existing interfaces. So here default methods, so they are not required to be redefined in the subclass. So default methods are not required to redefine in subclasses, unlike abstract methods which need to be redefined in the subclass. Otherwise subclass also becomes a abstract class. So it is not compulsory, otherwise we can also redefine it in our subclass. So now coming to the syntax, how to use the same default methods in multiple inheritance. So basically multiple inheritance is not possible with multiple base classes in Java. So we have to use interfaces. So interfaces with same default method. So let us take interface A with the default method m1, interface B default method m1. So same name in both the interfaces. So class C, subclass C implements A comma B. So if we want, we can redefine that method here or access those methods using interface name. Example, interface name dot super keyword followed by method name. Okay, so interface name followed by super keyword with method name. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Java default methods example2.java. Take a new page. So first write the comments, program to demo, same default methods in Java interfaces with multiple inheritance. Interface A, default void m1 and printing the message, hello user, this is default m1 method. Similarly, interface B, again here also we have the same default method, default void m1 and printing the message, welcome user, this is a default m1 method. And then we are writing a class here, class C, implements A comma B. So both the default methods from the base classes are inherited to class C. So inside the class C, we are overriding or redefining. Overriding or redefining the default method public void m1, and then here we are using the base classes or base interface method. Interface name A super.m1, interface B super.m1. So hello user, welcome user will be printed, and here we are printing our own message in m1 method, which is redefined in class C by user. This is m1 method, right? So come to the main class with main method and save this program in your working directory. So just create an object of subclass C, obj is equals to new C, and using that object call m1 method. So when we call this m1 method, it will call interface A m1 method, interface B default m1 method, both the cases, and then it will print its own message by user. This is m1 method. So save this program, come to the command prompt, go to your working directory and compile the program Java C Java default methods example 2, right? No error, and then run it. Java default methods example 2. So a.super.m1, hello user, this is default m1 method. b.super.m1, welcome user, this is default m1 method, and own message, which is redefined in m1 method in class C by user, this is m1 method. So this is how we are supposed to work with same default methods in Java interfaces with multiple inheritance. So multiple inheritance, multiple base classes is not possible. So we are taking multiple interfaces, base interfaces with single subclass, right? Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.